Do you want to know how you can log into your Trinet Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Trinet Payroll account. Go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for Trinet Payroll Login and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page where you can click Login, which is on the top right hand side, and you can click to log into PEO platform and it will take you to the official login portal of Trinet. Go ahead and write down your login ID or your user ID or your email address and go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure your password is correct by clicking on this icon. Make sure that your login ID and password is associated with your Trinet account. And after that, go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Trinet account. If you want your browser to remember you, go ahead and click on this link. And if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, these are the two links for you. If you have unlocked your account, click on this link to unlock your account once again. So guys, this is how you log into your Trinet Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.